Okay, hello dear friends. Let's continue to do our math. The problem is if a square minus b square equal to 21, this is given, and a square plus b square equal to 29. Then what is the value of a times b? Okay, so do not worry too much. We are looking for the value of a times b. There are ways to solve the problem. You figure out a and b and a times b. Finally, eventually you got a times b. But I'm thinking, why do we need to figure out what each is, a and b? We need to know a times b, right? So you can put this given condition together as a set of equation. Then 2a, the first equation plus the second equation is 2a plus and minus and plus cancel out. 2 times a equal to 50. So a square equal to 25, right? Fair and square, right? We got it. Okay, and the second function, the second equation minus the first equation, it becomes 2b square equal to 8 and b square equal to 4. So we figure out a square and b square. Therefore, we can figure out a square times b square is 25 times 4, which is 100. So a times b is positive and negative 10. So we can plug it in. This one we actually do not need to plug it in. A times b, the value is positive or negative 10. Another question. The camera seems not in the right angle. Let me fix it a little bit more comfortable. This one is better. Okay, another one, 2 to the power of 10 plus 2 to the power of 10 equal to 2 to the power of x. This is given if, then what is x? This is the question. Okay, so first they give us this equation. We can copy this equation. Let me move a little bit of this. Yes, this way is better. So 2 to the power of 10 plus 2 to the power of 10 equal to what? It's 2 times the same thing, right? Equals to 2 times 2 to the power of 10. And when we see this, they have the same base, which is 2. So equal to 2 to the power of 10 plus 10, right? So equal to 2 to the power of 11. So 2 to the power of 11, 2 to the power of 11, which is given, we logically, systematically, and step by step figure out this one. 2 to the power of 11 equal to what? Equal to 2 to the power of x. So there's no chance the x can only be 11. So x equal to 11. The value of x is 11. Here is another problem, quite interesting. Okay, what is the result of 2 to the power 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 of 0? It just growing up. Okay, so what do we equal to what? How do we figure this one out? Oh, I'm a little bit out of the range. Okay, 2 to the power of 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 0 equal to what? Equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Right? Equal to what? Equal to 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Okay, equal to what? 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Okay, 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. Right? We made a long descending order. The same thing, if there is one more 2, we can figure out, just use the same logic. Am I too loud? Okay, hello dear friends. Here we have another problem. If x plus y equal to 2, this is given, and x squared plus y squared equal to 2. Okay, what is xy equal to what? This is a question. This is given, and this is the solution we are looking for. Okay, so we have x plus y equal to 2, which is given. So x plus y square equal to 2 square, right? X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to, we open this one up, now we need to open the other side up, equal to 4. So step by step we figure out this. And another thing which is given is x squared plus y squared equal to 2. So we can replace this x squared plus y squared with 2. So 2 plus 2xy equal to 4. We copy it. And then 2xy equal to 2. Move this one to the other side. X times y equal to 1. And that is the answer. They didn't ask us anything about what particularly x is or y is. But actually you can just think x is 1 and y is 1. You can do a step-by-step solution to figure out x, y is. But if we do, we can do that also, but we do not need to waste the time and to spend time to do this. We figure out x times y equal to 1, and that is what we are trying to figure out. Thank you very much. I love you. I really do.